When it comes to size of the buttock, that's a difficult that's a difficult thing to quantitate. It's not like breasts where you have different size implants that you can put in and go for a C or a D. What we're facing here is that not all the fat that I put in the buttock is going to stay. Some of it will disappear. On the average, I'm getting about an 80% to stay. In some people, more will stay, and others less will stay. So, and we don't know who that's going to be, and so we have to give it the 3 to 6 months to see how much of it stayed. So that's our first issue. We don't know how much is going to stay. Number 2 is I don't know how much body fat you have. I need to be able to get as much fat from you as I can to give a significant augmentation. In my patients, I'm doing between 600 to 1300 cc's of fat per buttock, but don't concentrate on those cc's because everybody's different. If you got somebody who's petite, they don't need as much. Somebody who's taller, they're going to need more. The next thing is your body. What kind of body frame do you have? Is that buttock area tight already to where I can't expand it as much, or is it very loose to where I can really fill it up to whatever we can add in there? So we're kind of limited in terms of the size. Here's what I do. I take the fat that I'm going to get out of your body, then I inject every single fat cell that I have until 2 things happen. Either I run out of fat, or the body says I'm full. And the body does that by squirting the fat back at me, saying, hey, I can't take any more. That's the most capacity that your buttock will take. Then we got to give it 3 to 6 months, see how it came out, and I'd say 90% of the time people are ecstatic. The other 10%, sometimes people want to go bigger, so they come back for a second liposuction and a second fat grafting too there. If you're looking for those extraordinarily large buttocks, figure in having 1 or 2 surgeries. Figure in having 2 or possibly even 3 surgeries to get that size of a buttock if you're going for El Grande supersized buttock.